Introducing the sleek and powerful 2026 CUPRA Formentor V2 EHYBRID with 204 horsepower DSG transmission in stunning grey. Packed with cutting-edge features including air conditioning, satellite navigation and collision avoidance braking, this car ensures a safe and comfortable ride every time. With a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification and a comprehensive warranty, you can buy with confidence. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Upgrade your driving experience today with the CUPRA Formentor V2 EHYBRID.